us talk today about the evergreen city of Delhi. Now, this small area that you can see in the map of our country is Delhi. Delhi is made up of Old Delhi and New Delhi. Now, together they form the National Capital Territory of Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Now, the old name was Indraprasth. It was built by the Pandavas. Later, it was rebuilt by Shah Jahan and was named Shahjahanabad. New Delhi was built by the British and it was designed by the famous architect Edwin Lutyens. Now you can see that this small area is Delhi. Let us magnify the area and you will see that it is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna and it is bordered by the states of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Let us talk about the climate of Delhi. It has hot and dry summer along with very hot winds called the Lu. It receives rainfall in the months of July and August and has very cold winter. Now let us quickly do this exercise. Delhi shares its boundaries with the states of dash and dash. And the options given to us are Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. The correct answers are Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Now, the President, the Prime Minister, all the Cabinet Ministers, the Chief Minister, the Lieutenant Governor and all other government officers live in New Delhi. The embassies and high commissions of other countries are also located here. Now let us talk about the Sansad Bhavan and the Central Secretariat. The Sansad Bhavan is the house of the Parliament of India and it makes laws for the country. The Central Secretariat has the central government offices. The Central Secretariat and the building of the Parliament are built close to each other. Now let us talk about Rajpath. Now Rajpath is a very important road in Delhi. It is a wide road that leads to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now you can see from the picture and it will help you to remember that a grand parade is held on this road on the Republic Day. Now let us look at the few famous places to visit here. The Rashtrapati Bhavan. What is it? It is a grand building and is the official residence of the President of India. Now it has Mughal gardens which is open to the public during the springtime and it is beautiful. The India Gate. The India Gate is located at one end of Rajpath. It is built in memory of the brave Indian soldiers who lost their lives in the First World War. A flame called Amar Jawan Jyoti keeps burning here always. The Red Fort. The Red Fort is made of red sandstone, hence its name Red Fort. Now, the Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan and you must remember that the Prime Minister of our country hoists our national flag and addresses the nation on Independence Day from here. The Qutub Minar. It is a very tall monument that was built by Iltutmish. Near Qutub Minar, you will find an iron pillar which never rusts. Other famous places to visit here are the Jantar Mantar, the Old Fort and Humayun's Tomb. You can also go and visit the Doll Museum, the Nehru Planetarium, the National Museum and the National Zoological Park. Let us talk of some very important places in this city. The Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is located at Rajghat. The Samadhi of Lal Bahadur Shastri is located at Vijay Ghat, and the Samadhi of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is located at Shantivan. The Jama Masjid is a very famous religious place in Delhi. It is one of the largest mosques in India and it was built by Shah Jahan. Other famous religious places of the city are the Lakshmi Narayan Temple, the Gurudwara Bangla Sahib and the Baha'i Temple or Lotus Temple. The Akshardham Temple is also very famous. Now Delhi boasts of a number of famous educational institutions like the University of Delhi, St. Stephen's College, Jamia Millia Islamia, Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, All India Institute of Medical Sciences and the Jawaharlal Nehru University. Now Delhi has also many thriving industries like the construction industry, the chemical and petrochemical industry, the information technology industry and the power and telecommunication industry. Taxi, auto rickshaws, cycle rickshaws, buses, metro rail and the ring railway are some of the various transport forms used by the people of Delhi. You must remember that the metro rail of Delhi is extremely efficient and very good. Now Delhi has an extensive network of trains and flights connecting it to the other parts of the country or the world. The New Delhi railway station is the most important station here and the Indira Gandhi International Airport is an important airport. Now what language is spoken in Delhi? Now the people of Delhi mostly speak Hindi. You can hear other languages as well because people from all over are staying here. Now all festivals are celebrated in Delhi as people of all regions and religions live here. Now what are the lip-smacking food that you can eat in Delhi? Parathas, kebabs, biryani, chaat, jalebis are some of the yummy food that you will find here. Now let us look at a few important personalities who hail from this great city. Amrita Pritam, the novelist, Shah Rukh Khan, the actor, Arun Jaitley, our former minister, and Virat Kohli, famous cricketer. Now let us quickly do this exercise. Which of the following places is located in Delhi? Howrah Bridge, Gateway of India, India Gate. So what do you think is the correct answer? Of course, India Gate, because Gateway of India is located in Mumbai and the Howrah Bridge is located in Kolkata. So today we have learned some very interesting facts about the capital of our country. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors, to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at Delta Step is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now